Hello, foodies. Let's make pasta salad today. So the first time I had this was at ShopRite, and I love it. So I had to create this in my own way. So first of all, you're going to make your salad cream by mixing some mayonnaise, evaporated milk, sugar, and black pepper. Set that aside and then go ahead to make the salad. So in my bowl, I added some spaghetti. You can use any type of pasta you want. I then added some shredded carrot, cucumbers, lettuce, tomatoes, bell peppers, and some onions. You can totally omit the onions, by the way. Give that a good stir and then add in your salad cream. After adding your cream, you're going to mix this very well. I hate my salad to be too creamy. It should be in between for me, sha. So if you're making this, you can totally add more cream if you want. So after mixing this very well, pop it in the fridge to chill for a bit and your salad is ready just like that. Like I said, you can use any type of pasta you like. Today I wanted to use spaghetti and yeah, that's it on how to make pasta salad. There are other ways you can make pasta salad and I will show you that in my subsequent videos. Bye!